Today, we're going to go over how to view footage recorded on your Blue Tiger Silver Series dashcam. You can do so on the camera itself, on your mobile phone, or on a desktop computer. We'll break each of these down now. To view your footage on the camera, make sure a USB-C cable is powering the camera itself. When the camera powers on, it will begin recording automatically. Press the power record button once to stop the recording. Press the gear button to open the settings. Use the up and down arrow buttons to navigate the menu. Find playback. Press the power button to enter into playback mode. Use the arrow buttons to locate the footage you want to view. Press the power button to begin playing the footage. If you want to view your footage on a computer, you're going to need an SD card reader and VLC media player. We'll be using the Blue Tiger USB SD card reader, which is also available for sale on our website. Remove the microSD card from the camera unit. The Blue Tiger USB SD card reader supports microSD cards. If your card reader does not, you will need a microSD to SD card adapter. Insert your microSD card into the card reader. Insert the card reader into an available USB port on your computer. Navigate through your File Explorer to find the microSD storage. Enter the Novatech folder, enter the movie folder, then double-click the video file you wish to view. It should be noted that deleting video files from the SD card on your computer is okay. However, if any of the folders are deleted, the SD card will require reformatting in the camera itself. To view the footage on your phone, you will likely need a compatible microSD or SD card reader. The microSD card reader we used in option 2 has a USB-C connector as well as a USB 3 connector, so we will be using that again. The Blue Tiger USB SD card reader has multiple models for compatibility with both Android and iOS devices, available for purchase on our website. Insert the microSD card into the card reader. Connect the card reader to your phone's port. Navigate to the Files location of your phone. Tap to enter the microSD card storage. Navigate to the Novatech folder, then the movie folder to view your file list. Tap the video file you wish to view. We hope this has been helpful, and thank you for purchasing from Blue Tiger. For any further information or to see what other amazing products we offer, visit us at bluetigerusa.com.